This is an opportunity that I saw would be once in a lifetime, and I think I'll walk away with a lot of life experiences. My name is Deep. I'm from San Jose, California, and I've been here for about 6 months. I think oftentimes in life we get very caught up in doing something that's so focused on what we need to do, and it's important for us to take a step back and offer our time and sacrifice time for others. I think what I enjoy most about volunteering here is you'll come across a number of people, whether it's somebody who is a business owner and owns, X number of stores, or whether it's somebody who's very far along in their career, or whether it's somebody who's just a college student in their second year of college and just taking a summer out to volunteer here. You come across people with different backgrounds, and when you start to probe those people and try to understand where they're coming from and why they're here and dedicating their time, it really gives you a new perspective on life. You're able to appreciate what you have. Being here, I've learned that everybody's constantly learning and everybody's coming from a different background, and you always have to have patience and allow people to do things at the pace that they feel comfortable with.